Hey, how's it going today? Last night I just ticked over 51 subscribers, and I want to say thank you to everybody. I'm also coming out and trying out some new camera settings. I didn't really like the quality of my last video, so I YouTube settings for the GoPro 4 and trying those out today. I'm just going for a little ride, and I have work to do Monday. So I just head out to the park. Sorry for the wind noise. I'm going to address that soon. It's probably too windy to hear me right now, so I'll just ride for a little bit. Head on, collision. I dare you, buddy. I dare you. Oh, better turn off. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Let's check. Oh, he's turned also. It's the first time I've ever had to wait this long for this much traffic. They're doing maintenance up there on the road. I've been doing that for a few years. Anyway, not a whole lot of miles on today. Just wanted to say thank you to everybody who subscribed to my channel, and well, that's not the one. Trying to give a reality check, and that is not really 50 subscribers. I had a video out a couple of years ago. Maintenance, the first 50-hour maintenance on a Kubota tractor. From that video, I got about 30 followers, but the channel kind of sat dead for a couple of years. So that's all I ever got from it. And I still get, you know, a couple of hundred views a month from it. So, you know, it's a good video. But what that really means is I don't have, I would say, 50 active subscribers. I have 20, since I've changed the focus of my channel over to, we call it back road navigation on a scooter. More specifically a Ruckus, I think. But, you know, I'll take it. Have y'all noticed that there was a change? I used to use my iPhone, which has excellent video quality. I'm probably better than this. I mean, I've had this GoPro for, I don't know, for a couple of years. Oh, more now, 4 or 5 years. They were new when I bought it, and I just never brought it out of the box. It took me a while to get that battery revitalized too, but it finally started working and charging, and you know, I'm happy with it. I love the sound. I love to be able to turn on and off the video so I don't have to scroll through everything to make cuts. A lot of dead air. Today I'm going to just keep it running. Like these travel videos, let me know. I'll keep doing them. The ones that I've been doing for Georgetown. There'll be one coming up for Elgin, or 50-mile trips. Let me know. My wife and I'll keep doing them. Keep making the videos. It is. We're always gonna This is our new passion. Exploring on the back roads of Texas. And as I learn and my wife learns, we'll share. Alright, so I have a lot of work to do at home. Took some time off of a job that pays to do some maintenance on the yard. Long needed maintenance. I gotta get out to the farm. I'll show you all a video of the farm too. I clean it up, maybe do some camping out there.